Pierce was 10 air miles away from the explosion of the $100 million Continental Grain Company plant in Westwego. The blast destroyed the grain elevator and also 48 of the 73 grain silos used to store soybean, wheat, and oats. "36 lives were lost. Most of the 11 survivors were near the silos, but James Stansberry was one of those who lived through the blast inside the grain elevator itself.
I was thrown through a wall because that's the only way I could wind up where I was. I had to go through the wall to get where I was. And I figured, well, somebody must be out there, so I started hollering, "Please help me. Won't someone please help me?"
30 years later, Stansberry, along with his daughter Amy and granddaughter Savannah, revisit his amazing story of survival.
When I went to work, the only thing, I don't know what happened. All I heard was, you know, like if you take a match and you turn your oven on and then you stick your match in there, and you know, you don't light your match first and then turn your gas on. Turn your gas on and then put your match and it goes poof. That's all I heard. Poof. And then boom. And I had a ceiling beam over my leg, and I looked over here and the wall was gone.
Flowers Wilson also survived the explosion. Like Stansberry, Wilson was buried alive underneath the twisted metal. Miraculously, he maneuvered himself out of the wreckage and onto the top of one of the burning silos. His rescue was filmed by ABC News.
Lieutenant Commander David Scott flew one of the most frustrating missions, trying to drop a rescue basket to a man named Flowers Wilson.
You could see it bouncing off several pieces of that rubble when he was trying to grab it. And, of course, trying to hold the helicopter steady in the black smoke somewhere between 50 and 100 feet above him, and the updrafts from the heat coming off the fire made it difficult to stay in one spot. Most of the times that he was getting a hold of it, we didn't realize that he actually did, because he was only visible part of the time in the smoke.
Finally, Wilson jumped 15 feet to a conveyor housing. Firemen reached him then, and he was lifted off by the helicopter. He is in intensive care today.
Wilson's life-saving 15-foot jump was done blindly due to the swirling black smoke and flames that engulfed him.